Top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and this one is a cruiser. Take a look at this. 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale convertible. Bright red interior. Does have newer paint on it, and it shows well. 455 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I did have the AC compressor kicking on and off. And again, look at how that paint shows. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. As we get a good look at the chrome on the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. And remember, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Oldsmobile wire wheel covers. Royale nail guard radials, check that out. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car and take a look at these long panels. You can see they're nice and straight. White vinyl interior, bench seat up front. Power top. At the end of this video too, we'll run the top up. I'll set up the camera so you can watch it go up and down. Be able to see that working. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take this car for a drive, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Give you a good look at the lower rockers around the wheel wells. We'll get around to the driver's side too and start it up and take a look underneath the hood, let you hear it run. Looks like the white vinyl's pretty decent shape. Convertible top cover or parade boot. Fits nicely, will be included. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you look at the rear of the car and the chrome on the back. Remember, if you like these 70s classics, maybe you like convertibles, muscle cars, late model sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor when the videos are done. So go ahead and subscribe. Check them out. If you just like looking at cars, you'll like it. Like I said, you never know what you may see come through here. This just happens to be a mid-70s full-size convertible. Let's take a look down this driver's side again, above and around the wheel wells. Paint's got a nice shine to it. It's newer, shows well. Onto the interior. Not notice any major rips, tears, or holes. There's a few spots where there's a little bit of wear in the back seat, and I'll show you one in the front that I noticed. But one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows, or just out on a nice sunny day. Power windows, power locks. Do a power seat here. There's that spot on the driver's side I did notice earlier. Split bench seat, tilt column. I've had the wipers working, power top. Radio power's up. It's an AM/FM cassette. Radio powered up. Did not get any sound, just so you're aware. Odometer reads 22,782. Cannot confirm if that's original. Cannot confirm or deny, just due to the fact that once the vehicle's so old, on the title, the miles are marked exempt. All right, as you can hear, fire's right up. Top of the dash looks good. Lots of times you see those cracked or discolored, maybe sun-baked, what have you. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run pretty stock. Sounds as you'd expect. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood on this. check out the underside of the hood. We'll also check out that engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car out of the road, take it for a drive. Like I said, virtual ride, if you will. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. It does look like we have a newer master cylinder. Also a newer battery with a disconnect. In that 455, I let it warm up so the came off the choke, high idle. Now there's idling and low idle. AC, and I have had that compressor kick on and off. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I know the techs also mentioned new rear wheel cylinders in this one. Front brake pads were done. So some recent service work. This would be a fun cruiser, folks, no doubt about that. All right, I'm going to pause this one more time and get that parade boot off, that convertible top cover off. Close up the hood. I'll show you the top mechanism going up and down. We'll take a little closer look at that convertible top, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. And there you go. See how the top goes up? Also rolled up the side glass. Windows on both sides. Nice tight fit above the windshield. So white vinyl. As you can see, all 4 power windows went up. Looks like a nice fit in this passenger side with the glass. Coming around to the rear. Glass rear window. Hey, even rear to fog in it. Like the top's in pretty nice shape. Up the side glass on this side. Also looks like it fits well. This is just a little lint. No rips, tears, or holes. Really not much wear at all. Here's the top, has been replaced also. All right. I can quick show you it folding back up if you'd like to see it go down. Let me pause this a second. I'll show you it going back down. And before that, tell you what, phone number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I'll finish this up by putting the top down. And again, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1975 Oldsmobile 88. This freshly painted in red. With a red and white interior. Great looking combo. This is an automatic on the column. Our wipers are working. Speedometer is also working. Fuel gauge reading completely full. A little bit of your typical wind noise from the top on this car. Nice, smooth running Oldsmobile. Very nice interior. Split bench seat. Very comfortable. And I just pushed the cruise control button and that does work. We're cruising along without the need for my throttle foot. Got the epitome of 1975, the wood grain on the dash, red vinyl, white vinyl. This is a convertible and we do have the top up today. Very big claim to fame is the convertible in this model. If you're driving it on a road trip, you definitely want to have the top down in the good weather. Accelerates as you would expect for a 75 Olds 88. A big car with a big motor and a luxurious ride. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.